This video I'm solving Leetcode Pro 1838. Frequency of the most frequent element. The frequency is the number of times it occurs in an array. Okay, you can. Mm-hmm. 80 people doing this one. Cool. So, okay. So since I can only increase, this will be 3. What? 2? What? 4, 4. Yeah, my bad. So if I have 5. 1. This one is pretty interesting. Frequency is the most frequent element. N times K. K can also be pretty large, so that's again. Or is it sorted in some way? It's not guaranteed. So what if I sort it? Okay, I think I have an idea. So let's take example 3, 9, 6, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1. And we have K is equal to, let's have 8. So what can I do? I can first sort it and do this. So I have 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10. So now I have this. And what can I do? So I take first element. That's 1. Then I slide my window to the next element. That's 3. to make it to make 3 the most frequent, all to the left must be 3. So I know what's the difference between, I'll need to keep current sum will be something, and I will just current sum something, and I'll keep index, not index, but number of elements in window. So it will be sliding window essentially. So so I start with, let's go from the start. So I start as current sum is 0, number of elements 0. Current sum is 1, number of elements in window 1. So if I multiply number of elements by 1 and subtract it, also need to know current sum, current left k, left over k. So I will decrease it. Essentially, okay, let's be more so I have current sum is 0, left over k is 0, number of elements in window is 0. I'll call it curse, or let's be curse sum. I'll call this one lk, and I'll call this one size, or nl. So when I'm here, I have 0, essentially, let me just, so at the start I have 0, I have left k is k, number of elements is 1, is 0. So I add 1, we are here. Now we have current sum is 1, what? 1, left k is still k, number of elements is 1, and I need to have that the sum is current sum has to be equal, or what I'm trying to say is that k has to be sum needs to be equal current number. If it's not, then I have to decrease k if not, and if k is less than 0, move start of the window. So something like this, I think you get it. I explained it maybe too long, so okay. I'll use left and right, so left is equal 0, right is equal 0. Now I know what's the number of elements. Okay, I'll have current sum is also 0. LK is K. Number of elements, I know that implicitly from the right minus left. So for num in nums, I increase current sum plus equal num. This is more appropriate. So, and I'll have best is equal to 0. Current sum is current sum plus equal num. I don't even have to use this one. I just have to check if, or do I have to? Yeah, no, sum of the elements, so I don't need to. If k is I don't need even target sum, so I'll just write. So if k is greater or equal current sum and target sum will be num times, I need to sort it also, num times right minus left plus 1. If this is true, I need to update best. Best is max of best right minus left. This I also need to yeah, I have to do as nums. Sorted nums as nums of right. So if this is true, then I need to increase my best and just go on. If this is not true, then up until this is true, what is this one? I have to curse sum will be minus equal left well, that one can be better, so left snums left, snums of left plus equal 1. And I'll, just to be sure, but if I'm off by 1 with the next one, and I move, I think I'll need to do it. So all with this, and just return best. I suppose return best. Let's remove this. Slums. Okay, yep, this works. Let's check time, space complexity. So time complexity of again, because we sort, and I think that's it, and then we just go through each one. So again, yeah, should be all and log n. Space complexity, and because we sorted in different array, but yeah, and log n. And so pretty straightforward. Yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in comments. Thank you for following this one, and see you in the next one.